दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं हूं जस्वीर मलिक और जनता की आवाज़ न्यूज़ चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों एक मुद्दा पिछले कई दिन से मीडिया में छाया हुआ है और बहस का विषय बना हुआ है। कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी द्वारा किए गए आंदोलन बारे में। आंदोलन के बाद बहुत सारे लोगों पर केसेस हुए, बहुत सारे वहाँ पे अहिंसात्मक जो है प्रदर्शन हुए और मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट चला गया। कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक फैसला दिया जिसमें कहा कि भाई सरकार चाहे तो राज्यों से जुड़े और दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर से जुड़े जितने भी केसेस हैं विद्यार्थियों से वो वापस ले सकती है और अपराधियों के केस वापस नहीं लिए जा सकते। इसके बाद कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता सौरभ दास और अन्य ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। सुनिए पहले तो एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ये क्या कह रही है।
Came to light. There were certain agreements that had happened with the government of India, and one of those guarantees that the government gave us was that no FIRs will be pursued, FIRs that are existing will be closed, and no action will be taken against any protester, student in the future. After the July 25 agreement, the protest was called off in good faith. However, after that, reports started coming of several FIRs being filed in different NDA ruled states, BJP NDA ruled states. And since that time, and even before July 25, the Cockroach Janata Party was standing with the young people of this country through thick and thin. We were giving all possible legal help, all possible medical help to each and every student, not just in Delhi, but across states. So when the reports started coming of FIRs, we were in touch with several lawyers who were helping these students, and we were also in talks with senior officers on behalf who were representing the government of India. Since then, several states have come out with notifications saying that they will close or withdraw all the FIRs and will not take action against any students. However, then the Supreme Court was hearing a bunch of PILs about the police brutality and other things, in which an order came which was creating some confusion. The government was using that order in a way to state that the existing FIRs will be investigated. We were in talks with the government also since then and asking them to honor their word that they gave us on July 25. Today, in yet another major victory for the students of this country, for the young people of this country, the Supreme Court has clarified that the states, including Delhi and other states, will be at liberty to withdraw the FIRs or close the FIRs or file for closure reports in any legal method as possible. They will be closing all the FIRs. Along with that, in the previous order, there was a line that no action will be taken against any protester who does not have criminal antecedent. Today, the court clarified that criminal antecedents would only mean heinous crimes like murder and rape. So that is also a major victory for the students, so that regular students and regular protesters and even students who have done political protests in the past will not be facing any legal problems in the future, and all FIRs against them will be closed. It's a major victory. Along with that, the Supreme Court has also indicated in the hearing today that it can use its Article 142 powers to do complete justice and quash all the FIRs that are existing in all the states across India. We are waiting for the written order to come. However, whatever has been orally pronounced in the court by the judges, we welcome it. It's a major victory for the students of this country. Now we have some update about Ruchika Singh's case and in general about whatever else is happening in the country. Our legal point of contact, Ratna Singh, who is also our spokeswoman, will be telling you.
Okay, so with respect to Ruchika, I was in touch with her mother and we made sure, she spoke to me yesterday as well. We made sure that all the legal assistance that is required as well as counseling which is required, that is provided to her. Although they have been, moving places because a lot of media was gathering, below their house, and also a lot of these right-wing goons were trying to, attack her in a way that they were questioning her, asking her to make videos and everything. So yesterday, whatever video that was going around that her mother had to put out because she was asked to put out. But I spoke to her and I told her that, since she's a minor, we have to be very careful, what videos are put out. So she was very happy that we reached out to her. I assured her every action that needs to be taken against these right-wing goons that will be done by us. And also if any counseling that Ruchika needs, that will be provided. I also reached out to Shraddha. She is also one of the protesters who was being harassed by right-wing goons. So she has also reached out to us, and we are making sure that everything with respect to her is also taken care of. In other states, there was discrepancy with regard to how the FIRs would be withdrawn. So now that the Supreme Court order is out and the state is also cooperating with us, by releasing their press statement, I am, sure that all the FIRs will be withdrawn timely, and a due process which is, required, that will be followed.
यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि उन्होंने इस मामले का स्वागत किया है, बहुत सारी बातें हैं। दोस्तों, ये जो भी घटनाक्रम है, ये किसी भी देश के लिए, लोकतंत्र के लिए सही रास्ता नहीं है। ठीक है, इस समय चाहे कोई भी दबाव में है और चाहे कोई भी कुछ भी निर्णय ले रहा है, लेकिन ये एक गलत रास्ता जा रहा है लोकतंत्र के लिए हर तरीके से। प्रोटेस्ट करना बुराई नहीं है, लोकतंत्र में प्रोटेस्ट होना चाहिए, लेकिन प्रोटेस्ट के घटनाक्रम के बाद जो दबाव बनाया गया और जो बहुत सारी एजेंसीज दबाव में आई, या हम ये कहें कि सरकार दबाव में आई, या ये पूरा तंत्र अब प्रेशर में आ रहा है, ये किसी भी लोकतंत्र के लिए सही दिशा नहीं है। दुर्गामी परिणाम इसके बहुत खतरनाक होंगे जो आप लोगों के सामने आएंगे। और इसमें एक चीज़ जो रही है वो ये रही है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि जो मामले हैं वो छात्रों की आड़ में अपराधी जो है रियायत के हकदार नहीं हैं। देखिए, इस पे ज़्यादा लंबी चर्चा हम नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी हैं जो जनता देख रही है, लेकिन ये जो मामले आ रहे हैं, जो सामने आया पूरा घटनाक्रम, ये आप सभी को चिंता में डालने वाला है। और इसमें बहुत सारे वो चीज़ें हैं जो अनसुने पहलू हैं, जो अभी तक सामने जनता के या तो आए नहीं हैं या उनको दबाया जा रहा है। दरअसल यहाँ पे 3 चीज़ें हैं। पहली चीज़ तो ये है कि छात्रों का प्रोटेस्ट अगर छात्रों का है तो होना चाहिए, लेकिन छात्रों की आड़ में कुछ लोग गलत हैं और वो भी फिर राहत ले रहे हैं, वो सही नहीं है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, कई राज्यों में और भी प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं और कई राज्यों में और भी पेपर लीक हुआ है, लेकिन यहाँ का जंतर मंतर का प्रदर्शन और वहाँ का प्रदर्शन टोटली डिफरेंट है। ये भी एक बार सभी को देखना चाहिए कि इस पर क्या है। तीसरा, आफ्टर प्रोटेस्ट जो चीज़ें सामने निकल के आ रही हैं, उसमें बहुत सारे पुलिसकर्मी भी हैं जो हताहत हुए हैं, यानी गंभीर चोटें आई हैं जिनके, और जिनके बच्चे भी आज चिंतित हैं, जिनके परिवार भी असुरक्षित महसूस कर रहे हैं। लेकिन उन सबके बावजूद जो एक घटनाक्रम पे नैरेटिव तैयार किया जा रहा है, ये वो विषय है जो आप सबको चिंतित करेगा आने वाले कल में। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम से बुद्धिजीवी लोग और जो जिम्मेदार पदों पे बैठे हैं, चाहे वो न्यायपालिका पे बैठे हैं, चाहे सरकार पे बैठे हैं, वो एक बार अपने अंदर जरूर झांकें और देखें कि हम किस दिशा में लेके जा रहे हैं इस पूरे घटनाक्रम को। जय हिंद, जय भारत।